Hello, you're watching the Sunbeam Alpine channel and we're back in Oily Puddle's garage. Now, we don't recommend products very often, and when we do, we always tell you the truth. I am going to make a product recommendation today. It's for an Auto Glym product. We paid full price for it. We've not been given any free samples or asked to give them any publicity, but this is an excellent product. If you've got a soft top on your Alpine, that is canvas, double duck, mohair, something like that, there's plenty of things that will clean it or renovate it. Products like Renovo do a great job. If you've got the vinyl type soft top though, the advice that comes with the new hoods is to wash them with a mild detergent and warm water. Doesn't really get them clean, and there's not a lot of products that they advertise for cleaning a soft top. But we found this one and it did a great job. And please watch the video. It's very, very short. If you've got a soft top, why not give it a treat? This is well worth doing. One thing to notice here is not only how clean the soft top vinyl is, and all of the texture is clean, all the dirt has gone out from the pattern. Look how clean it's made the rear window. All the little marks on it have gone completely. As I say, I can't recommend this product highly enough. I hope you use it and I hope it works as well for you. After you've applied this to the soft top, there's like a lovely sheen on it, and it looks like it's giving it UV protection and just generally protecting the material, keeping it supple and keeping it like new. It really does feel like it did when it was brand new. It's well worth giving this a try. Thank you for watching.